So what I got here is my Subaru Forester, and I am going to change out the wiper blades. So what I have here is Costco's Michelin wiper blades that are about $10 each. And on the driver's side, it's the 26-inch, and on the passenger side, it's the 17-inch, which is very much shorter. So I'm going to pull this up and show you what has to be done. So if I zoom in here, you can see this whole thing, this whole arm is actually removed by this depression. So I'm gonna stick my key in there and simply pull it out. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So that's on the driver's side, and equally the same on the passenger side. Same exact thing here is I'm gonna push my key in, depress this, and then slip this out. So this whole thing comes out on this edge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this, put the key in, and then just slip it out. So let me go ahead and show you how that's done. So this particular one on the passenger side is a simpler one. I'm just going to use my key here, and you can see this depression here. I'm going to put my key in there to depress it, keep it depressed, and I'm going to pull this out. So I'm going to lift it up a little bit, push this in, push the key in, depress it, and then this thing is going to simply come out of the arm. And just to show you a close-up, this is what I pushed in to depress it, this little notch here. And I'm similarly going to do the other side. So that's how you take the complete arm out. And this is now exposed, and I'm going to put in the new one. So I'm going to do the other side now. So completely different angle on the other side. Use this, push my key in, wiggle it out, and the whole arm completely comes out like this. And now I'm going to take out the new ones and simply snap them in. So let's go ahead and do that. So what I have here, I took the Michelin Guardian out of the box, and this is the new one. So this is the new one, and this here is the old one. And you'll notice that the adapter is not correct. So I'm going to have to remove the adapter. So I'm going to show you, let me show you how to do that. So let me put down the old one, and it comes with the adapter that's already on here. Comes with two caps and then this third adapter. So this third adapter here is actually the right size. So you could see that the snap in for the third adapter here is relatively the right size compared to this new one, which is way bigger. So this new one here, and then this adapter. So let me put down the old one. And the way to take this out is, this is the direction. I'm going to lift towards that direction, and I'm going to pull this out. So you'll notice it's snapped out. So normally I'm going to lift up and I'm going to slide it out. So it slid out pretty easily, and normally it snaps in like this, and that's how you remove it. So it snaps in. I'm going to lift up, pull it out, and if you have one of those U ones, now I have a Subaru, so that's going to have to use the adapter for the Subaru. So this small adapter, what I'm going to do is, you could see this is the small side with this indentation. The snap in is going to go in here, and then it's going to snap down. So you'll see that this rounded side hooks up underneath here, and then this particular side actually snaps into this particular hole, that hole right there. So that snaps into that hole. So I have to get this rounded side there first, and then I'm going to hook it in. So let me hook it in first, and I'm going to push down on this side. So when I push down on this side, you see it snaps in. So now that it's snapped in, it's basically the same sort of side as this. So I'm just going to slip it in now. So let me go to the arm and slip it in. So you see I have the old one here at the top and the new one at the bottom. So if I put them side by side, you could see how this is aligned now. So I'm going to slide this in so that the notch is correct there from this direction. So just to show you, I'm going to go slide this bar in now. Sliding it in like so. and now it's hooked in. So once it's hooked in, I'm gonna put this cap. So it comes with 2 caps, and the one you want to use is the thinner one. So this is the bigger cap here, or you might want to try both. So this one is gonna slip in like so. So it's actually I misspoke. It's actually this longer, thicker one. And the reason why is once I cap it, it's gonna expose that notch. So just capping it, and it snaps in like that. Make sure it snaps in all the way. And that's it for this side. And now I could do the same for the longer arm, driver's side arm. So let me go ahead and zoom in here for you. So that's how that looks. I'm gonna take this piece out, try to take this piece out and show you how this particular, how the cap looks. So just sliding this out. So that's how this cap piece looks. And it should fit over like this. And then these grooves should go in these 2 holes right here. So you can see those 2 holes. Whoops. So you can see, so if you see those 2 holes, this particular cap just fits right on top of this, and then you push it down and snap it in. So this is how this cap works for the shorter arm, and same thing for the other side. Out of the box, and I want to make sure I take this piece out because I'll need this piece, and I'll need this longer piece also. So this is the piece I want. Take out these spacers. So I'm taking out these spacers, take out this spacer, wiper protector, and this particular one, you know, exactly, you know, just snap it out. So I'm snapping this out, and same thing as the other side where there's this hook and there's that bend there. So I'm going to align this bend. So this bent part on this side, on this curvature on the inside, and then this hole that snaps in for this little snap-in piece. So I'm going to hook it in, push it down, hook it in first, so you see it's hooked in. Now I'm going to push the curved side so it snaps in. Hear that click? It's locked in. Now I'm going to put it on the arm. So sliding it on the driver's side arm here. I actually have to slide it this way, so it goes in like so. So just repeating this, you know, this side goes in first, so the long side is exposed, and I'm going to slide it in, and you can see that side is hooked in. You know, pushing it some more, that side's actually hooked in now. I take this cover, and if you'll notice with these covers, there's the holes in this arm. So I'm going to snap these two notches on this side to the holes. Move this closer here to the holes, and you're going to hear a snap. So when I push down, you hear a snap. I just have to line it and lock it in. So I'm hunched over, so I'm going to have to do a better job here. So here, you know I didn't lock it in, because this thing's supposed to rest. It's supposed to rest right on the edge here. So this square piece is supposed to expose that notch so you can remove it, and it's supposed to rest like that. So I'm gonna put it over like so, and then just snap it in. So you'll hear the click. Now I'm filming, so it's a lot harder for me. So I'm going to try to do this live so that you can see that. But I think I might have to end up doing it. All right, so that's locked in on the top. All right, so it's going to be something like that. I'm going to do it off camera and hunch over my car and do it a little bit better. So you notice, once again, this notch cutout, square cutout, is aligned like so, and those two pieces to the left and right is locked in, and that this doesn't move. So now it's all flush, and it's a brand new Michelin Guardian right there, just in time because the sun is going to set in like 10 minutes. And I hope this helps. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.